In this class, we learn about the materials and tools we use in engineering and mechanics and plant science, animal science. I like this class because it's hands-on. This class prepares you to succeed in the future pathways.
I'm a senior here at Westminster High School, and I've been at the CTE pathway for 4 years. And some careers that pathway has helped me is veterinarian, vet technician, and also a zoologist.
I'm taking the pre-vet class here at Westminster High School. What pre-vet has helped me get into the career is just working with animals and learning more about them.